What's up, all you Pro Street lovers? Everybody famous is here. Everybody famous is here. Let me just tell you something. We got all the famous people. I can't give you the names, so if you know, you know. Other than that, look at this 55 right here. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous thing. $598. Wow. Look at that interior. Wow. There he is right here. Nobody tell him he's here, right? This guy. Look at this. Wow. Look, look. He's like, oh man, this thing is cool, right? Look at this. He's got the 427. What year is this? 61? Everybody know the 69? Look at this, bad boys. Look at this 57. Look at that paint. Wow. Look at this 34. Man, this is what happens when you come up to the Panhandle to the Hot Rod Nationals, man. All the famous people come out, bring their cars. You got air conditioned. This is the place where they hang out right here. Look at the GTO 69 Chevelle convertible. Man. What do we got here? GTX. Wow. GTX. Stop, please. Look at that gorgeous. Oh, 4-speed too. 4-speed 440. Everybody wants this bad boy right here, huh? Look at that. Very cool. Smoky. Look at this 442. Oh, look at this bad boy right here. Bam. 390. Air grabber. Very cool. Very cool. 60 what? 68. 68. Red, white, and blue. Wow. Look at this AMX. How's this gorgeous Impala? Holy smokes right here. Look at this resto. Drop down to the ground. Holy smokes. We got some cars. Everybody know who that is? See, the most famous of famous. You don't know who that is. I can't help you. That's what they call the internet queen of all pro streets right there. Look at the Grinch over there. Wait for that video. Look at how cool this is, man. It all starts with this. The hat, baby. The hat. See you guys on the next Florida CarShow.